Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, today presenting this used Volvo V60 Cross Country 2.0 D4 Auto all-wheel drive. Finished in dark grey and powered by 2-litre diesel engine, delivering 190 PS through smooth automatic transmission. With the confidence of all-wheel drive, it offers capable and refined driving experience. At the front, the Volvo makes impression with automatic LED headlights featuring active high beam assist and striking daytime running lights, ensuring maximum visibility. The vehicle rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, which not only complement the design but also enhance handling stability. Moving to the back, the Cross Country branding is embossed on the rear bumper, highlighting its unique identity. Distinctive LED taillights extend into the tailgate for that recognizable Volvo look. Open the power-operated tailgate and you will be greeted by generous and flexible boot complete with load, hooks, underfloor storage and a retractable cover. In the back, comfort is given with supportive seats featuring ISOFIX points for child safety, a fold-down armrest with cup holders and dedicated ventilation in the bi-pillars. Up front, both driver and passenger benefit from power-adjustable seats with lumbar support, ensuring long drives are more comfortable. The 3-spoke leather steering wheel with chrome trim features mounted controls for audio, phone and cruise functions. Behind it sits 12.3-inch active TFT driver display offering sharp digital readouts. On offer is a 2-zone electronic climate control with clean zone air filtration and the infotainment system offering DAB and media options with excellent sound quality, Bluetooth connectivity keeping you connected seamlessly, car status providing real-time updates on vehicle condition and alerts, navigation offering clear mapping with guidance for easy journeys, and car functions menu giving you access and allowing to adjust key driving features conveniently. You also have plenty of settings to customize preferences to suit your driving style. This has been a presentation of the Volvo V60 Cross Country 2.0 D4 Auto all-wheel drive, now available at Automotive Crewe. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.